Hello and welcome back to Making of a Dream, 3feather Sanctuary. I'm Chris. Laura's busy, Kai's in school, and here's our video, episode 3, folks. Alright, so yesterday was a big day. We had the bathhouse delivered. That was really big, so we can start getting that done. So Laura can wash some clothes. Maybe. So what the problem with that was is the rig was about 40,000 pounds. I didn't know that, plus the weight of the bathhouse. So it was a really cool rig. Had this mule and stuff that carried it up there and pushed down some of my ballast in my road. So I'm probably going to have to get a couple more loads of ballast out here. That's number one. So let's show the video of that while I try to kill this goddamn fly. We'll see you in a minute. So that was pretty cool, right? That little mule crawling it up there. That was pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what else. Oh, I can see again. I can see again. Man, I went through 3 pairs of regular glasses that I brought with me on the trip to California and back. And I lost all 3. I've lost about 4 pairs of readers. But in the mail today came, ta-da, new glasses that I can see everybody. Don't wear them much except when I really need to see something. Anyhow, that was cool, man. I really like that. It's the little things in life that, make you happy. All right, so we talked about the bathhouse. Oh, and we also moved the camper from where the teepees are going to be up to one of the RV sites. So watch this video and we'll be right back with you. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Shane coming over in his 4Runner to pull that up there because where the camper was really muddy. So just to get it up to where we built the road. But I just said, you know what? Just take her on up there and see how it does. And as you can see, smooth like butter. Went right up around the loop of the road. Went right in. Let's see. And today I have to go to Asheville to pick up some concrete block to level up the bathhouse and get it, because I'm going to take stone from the property and underpin it with stone, because I used to be a stonemason a long time ago before I got disabled. So yeah, that's going to look pretty cool when it's done. Right now I really can't think of nothing else that I need to talk about today, because today's Asheville day. Gonna go pick up and some bamboo fencing till my bamboo grows in, to give the other RV site a little privacy from the road. So that's a shopping day for me today. So really nothing too exciting. I'll take some video of me leveling up the bathhouse and getting it so it's actually sitting it's sitting level, but the whole ass end is hanging off. It's kind of scaring me, especially since it rained last night. So that's it. That's about it from Three Feathers. Um, we'll make another video tomorrow. Keep you guys up to date. Please like, share, and subscribe because it really helps me out to support us to do this venture. Um, so I'd like to see some people subscribing to this series. You want me to keep doing it? You need to start subscribing. All my friends, all my family, people that don't know me, get to work. Um, just kidding, man. Have a great day and stay safe on this holiday weekend. You know, keep it small. Keep it with people you know that ain't running around sleeping with people. You know what I mean? Anyhow, that's about it. We'll talk at you later. It's Chris from Three Feather. Later.